Morning. I found another cat toy for you. Another cat. It's a red cat. This is a finger puppet. It's a finger puppet. I got this at probably at like one of those street festivals in town a long time ago, a few years ago. So, what do you think, Case? Friday is outing day. Mommy's going to go on a little outing, and it's going to be her first one in quite a while. I hope you don't get too lonely, Kacey. I hope you don't get too lonely, Kacey. Usually when I go out for a while and I come back, you get all lonely and you come rubbing up against me. Yeah, see, here's Mommy's having her coffee. Aww. Yeah. But Mommy will try to bring you back. Mommy has to go to PetSmart, so Mommy will try to bring you back some kitty treats and also some kitty food. Okay? Okay, does that sound good, Kacey? Does that sound good, Kacey? Hmm? Yeah, see a little finger puppet. It's a red cat. I think I have, yeah, it's supposed to go like this. It's a funny looking cat, isn't it? Here, you want some coffee? No? You don't want any coffee? Oh, you're so funny. You're so cute. Okay, kitty. Okay. I will see you later. Bye-bye.